Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated to my latest videos. Welcome back to our channel, where we make WordPress easy for everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to install a new theme on your WordPress website. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned user, this step-by-step guide will help you transform the look and feel of your site. So let's dive right in. The first thing you will need to do is to log into your WordPress admin area. Once you are logged in, you will be on the dashboard, which is the control center of your website. Now let's move on to installing our new theme. Here's the appearance section, where you will find all the options related to the visual appearance of your site, including themes. Click on the themes option to proceed. On the themes page, you will see the currently installed themes. So first of all, we will delete all the themes which are not required to improve the speed and security of our website. Just click on the unrequired theme and click on delete button. Click on OK, and this theme will be disappeared from your themes dashboard. Now click on this theme and click on delete. So now we have only one theme here that we can customize easily and replace as per our choice. So to install a new theme to your WordPress website, click on this Add New button. Here you will get many themes which are freely available on WordPress, and you can just install them very easily. Otherwise, you can just install a theme from a zip file and you can upload it from here. Just search for a theme on Google. You can just go to the Google website and search for free WordPress themes. You will see there are many WordPress themes are available which are free to use. Once theme is downloaded, you can just upload it from here. Select the zip file you have downloaded and click on Open. Now click Install Now. Just wait for a while and your theme will be installed on your website. Once your theme is installed, click on Activate and then click on Visit Website. The new theme has been installed to your website. Now check for another method. That is the easiest way to install a WordPress theme to your website. Just click on Add New button and select any theme of your choice from here. Let's search for a blog website. So here you can see there are many blog websites available. Click any one of them and click on Install. Click Activate. Congratulations! Your new theme is now installed and activated. You can visit your website to see how it looks with the new theme. Now go back to your WordPress theme dashboard. You can further customize your theme by clicking on the Customize button. So in our next tutorial, we will learn how you can make changes to the theme colors, fonts, layouts, and much more. Play around with these options to truly make the theme your own. That wraps up our tutorial on installing a new theme on WordPress. As you can see, it's a straightforward process that can completely transform the appearance of your website. Remember, there are thousands of themes available, so feel free to explore and find the perfect one for your site. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video.